How to log into multiple social media accounts using SendWin. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can log in to multiple social media accounts using SendWin. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to send.win and you will land on this platform right here. SendWin is an amazing social media manager that allows you to manage your multiple social media accounts. So if you are an influencer or a person with a lot of social media account, a YouTube, Facebook, and you have Instagram, you want to manage them and you want to get access to all of these different tools and features, and you want to log in to all of these accounts at the same time. So SendWin will help you with all of this. So what you have to do is you will simply sign up for SendWin, and let me sign up too. Let me show you how we can use SendWin. Before you sign up, let me actually show you the pricing plan really quickly. So we have a free plan which is $0 per month, gives you a sync between the devices, a multi-tab isolation, and a session sharing as well. Then we have a pro for just $2.99 per month. It also has a proxy support, it has commercial use and everything in the free plan. And then we have a pro plan which is going to be $6.99, and it has everything in the pro plan. It also has a session share link, website session access, blur session, one-click all session, blog sessions as well. So these are the pricing plan. You can get started with any of these. I'm gonna go ahead and click right here on our register, and then we will be able to you can also install the extension. So go ahead and install the extension, and then we will be able to register on the extension as well. So this is really good. It comes as a Google extension, as a Chrome extension, and you will be able to get access to the SendWin right here. So what I have to do is I'm gonna go ahead and download right here. So you can simply install your extension. Let's go ahead and register on the website as well. So if you want to directly register yourself, you can do so. We have first name, and then we have our email address, we have password, we have confirm password, and then we will actually get a referral code on our email, and then we will simply click on register. So let me just simply go ahead and fill this up, and then we will simply register for SendWin. So I have added all the information. If you do not have any refer code, for example, I had one, so I just added. If you do not have any, then it's okay, leave it, and then you will simply sign up for your SendWin. So once you have signed up, this is my account. Now we will simply go to the extension that we have downloaded. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and add my extension. So once you click on install extension, then it will be installed in the form of a zip file. So how to add it to your Google Chrome? So this is the file right here. Now what you have to do is simply open up with your zip extractor or your document viewer, or you can also connect other apps if you have. So this is where you will have your own zip file. Now what you have to do is you will simply go to extensions, manage extension, and open up the Chrome/extensions right here. What you have to do is you will have to activate the developer mode right here. Then you can load unpack right here, click, and then it will open up the files for you, your computer. So what you have to do is now you will simply the extension that you have downloaded, you will simply unpack it right here. And let me actually go ahead and so the extension that you have downloaded to your computer, simply click on load unpack right here. It will take you to your computer. I will open up where I have extracted my file. So you can see right here SendWin. I will click right here and select folder. There you go. It has been added as a Google extension right here, SendWin 3.2. So now what I can do is simply, this is going to be my Google extension that has been added. Now I can go to extensions and I can pin it right here. Let's open it up and let me show you the different features we get in SendWin and how you can actually log into multiple accounts with SendWin. So right here, this is how SendWin works. With SendWin, what happens is that we can actually create at one time we can actually log into multiple sessions with a current page that we have added. We can actually, log into different accounts in the same tab. We can actually go ahead and, for example, I can open up my Instagram, my Facebook, my StreamYard, my YouTube in the same tab, and I will be able to log in to multiple accounts at the same time. So it really saves our time, and it really helps us, really saves us from the hassle of, moving from here to there and opening up different tabs and managing them. So I will simply go ahead and create multiple sessions for this page. Let's go with this one. So what is going to happen is you simply go ahead and you click right here, and then you can create a new session for your tabs that you have, like for example this current page that I have opened up for the extensions. And then we have a unsaved session, we have saved session as well. So now let me actually show you different features. We know that SendWin helps us to, open up different tabs, different social media, or maybe other pages in just one tab. It also helps us to switch account with ease. You can simply switch between multiple accounts easily with just one click access using SendWin. Then there is a share session across devices. Share all session across all your devices using one click. So you can actually, share your tabs on different devices as well. For example, your PC and your laptop. You can switch between these, and you can switch to your phone as well, just with just one click. Then we have multiple login made easy. So this is really important. You end up more productive because you will be saving time, right? You will be able to speed up your productivity pipeline by 80 to 90%, because what happens is that you will be using SendWin and you will be able to log into multiple accounts at the same time, and you will actually save a lot of time. Then we have session isolation on every tab. Easily isolate and test more copy variations to decrease your workload. So there is an isolation available on different tabs as well. If you want a tab to be isolated from others, you don't want it to be mixed with the other ones. You have that tab in this session, but you want it to be isolated, you can do that. There's nothing to be worried about. Then we have different browsers in single window, no more need for secondary. So this is actually really, really good that we actually can go ahead and add different browsers in single window with SendWin. Then we have bookmark, of course, where you will be able to add your favorites and you will be able to bookmark your accounts. Then we have premium proxy add-on as well. If you have the premium, then you will be able to add proxy as well, where you will be able to protect your pages, and you will be able to add billing pages and other information, personal information, without any worry. Then you have protect every session page, blur session tabs with ease. You can also blur out different pages if you want to. And then of course session time for session share, display set timer on every session so you can see when you run out of time. And then there is protection of privacy, of course. So this is all in one pretty good platform for you if you're looking for a good manager to manage your social media, to manage your Google accounts, to manage your anytime. Most of the people use it for their social media, or maybe for their a simple Google account as well, because it helps you create and open different profiles in just one single window. So you can simply go ahead and check out send.win right now and get more productive by managing your different websites within just one single window. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to log into multiple social media accounts using SendWin. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.